Welcome to our expedition, a voyage of discovery into the heart of Mexico to the state of Guanajuato. Now, when one thinks of Mexico, often it is the vibrant colors and the echoes of ancient civilizations that spring to mind. And while Guanajuato certainly boasts those in abundance, we are here for something different. We are here for the raw, untamed beauty of the natural world. From the towering peaks of the Sierra de Guanajuato to the fertile valleys of the Bajío region, Guanajuato is a land of dramatic contrasts. Join me then as we venture off the beaten path, beyond the well-trodden tourist trails, to uncover the hidden gems of Guanajuato's natural heritage. Let us explore the landscapes sculpted over millennia, meet the creatures that call this place home, and witness the delicate balance of life playing out before our very eyes. Our journey begins in the Sierra de Guanajuato, a mountain range that forms the backbone of this remarkable state. These peaks have stood for millennia, weathered by time and cloaked in the wisdom of ages. As we ascend, the air grows cooler, thinner, and the very landscape transforms around us. Dense forests give way to rocky hillsides where hardy shrubs cling tenaciously to life. These slopes, bathed in the warm Mexican sun, are home to a surprising variety of creatures. Lizards bask on sun-baked rocks, their scales shimmering like jewels, while high above birds of prey circle effortlessly on the thermals. The Sierra de Guanajuato is a haven for those seeking solace in the embrace of nature. Here one can hike for hours, following ancient trails that wind their way through the forests. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the valleys below, we come across a group of tents nestled amongst the trees. These are the temporary homes of adventurers, drawn to the Sierra de Guanajuato by the promise of fresh air, breathtaking views, and the chance to reconnect with the natural world. The forests here play a vital role in regulating the region's climate, providing clean air and water for the surrounding communities. Descending from the heights of the Sierra de Guanajuato, we enter a landscape that couldn't be more different. This is the Bajío region, the breadbasket of Mexico, a place where rolling hills meet fertile valleys and where life is sustained by the steady flow of rivers like the Rio de la Laja. The Rio de la Laja is the lifeblood of this region, its waters nourishing the fields and providing a vital habitat for a wide array of species. Along its banks, willows dip their branches into the flowing water, creating a haven for dragonflies and damselflies. Fields of corn, stretching as far as the eye can see, sway gently in the breeze, their green leaves shimmering like emeralds under the Mexican sun. The true magic of the Bajío region reveals itself during the rainy season. The skies open up, unleashing torrents of water that drench the parched earth, and the landscape undergoes a dramatic transformation. Wildflowers erupt in a riot of colors, painting the hillsides in vibrant hues of red, yellow, and blue. Butterflies, their wings as delicate as stained glass, flit from flower to flower. The air hums with the sound of insects, a symphony of life celebrating the return of the rains. Herds of cattle graze peacefully in the fields, their bells tinkling softly in the afternoon heat, while egrets stalk alongside them. As the sun sets on the Bajío region, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple, we are left with a profound sense of peace. This is a land of gentle rhythms, where life unfolds at a slower pace, a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle of the modern world. Leaving the sun-drenched fields of the Bajío behind, we now venture into the depths of the earth, into a world of darkness and silence. Here in the heart of Guanajuato lies the Mina de Rayas, a silver mine that once fueled the Spanish Empire and stands today as a monument to human endeavor. Stepping into the cool, damp air of the mine, we are transported back in time. The air is thick with the smell of minerals and the ghosts of miners past. The silence here is absolute, broken only by the drip, drip, drip of water seeping through the rocks. As our eyes adjust to the dim light, the sheer scale of the mine becomes apparent. Tunnels stretch out in all directions, a labyrinth of passages carved out of the solid rock. The Mina de Rayas is a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. As we emerge from the mine, blinking in the sudden sunlight, we are greeted by the sight of the town of Guanajuato, its colorful buildings clinging to the hillsides like brightly colored flowers. The contrast between the darkness below and the vibrancy above is striking, a reminder of the duality of nature and the human experience. From the depths of the earth, we now journey to a place where history and nature intertwine, where the echoes of a vanished civilization mingle with the whispers of the wind. This is the Canada de la Virgen, a place of profound archaeological significance and breathtaking natural beauty. Nestled within a dramatic canyon surrounded by towering cliffs and verdant vegetation lie the ruins of a pre-Hispanic city, a testament to the ingenuity and architectural prowess of the Otomi people. As we explore the ancient city, we are struck by the sense of peace that pervades the air. The crumbling walls, once bustling with life, now stand silent, yet they speak volumes about a culture that thrived in this valley centuries ago. The canyon walls, sculpted by wind and water over millennia, rise up around us, their sheer scale humbling. Waterfalls cascade down the cliffs, their music filling the air, creating a sense of tranquility that is both soothing and exhilarating. The Canada de la Virgin is a reminder that the past is never truly gone. It lives on in the stones and the stories they tell. It is a place where we can learn from those who came before us, who understood the delicate balance between humanity and nature. Our journey now takes us to a different kind of natural sanctuary, one that exists in harmony with the rhythms of urban life. This is the Parque Bicentenario, a sprawling green oasis in the heart of Guanajuato City. Stepping into the park, we leave behind the noise and bustle of the city, replaced by the gentle rustling of leaves and the cheerful chirping of birds. The air here is fresh and clean, a welcome respite from the exhaust fumes of the city streets. Families stroll along the winding paths, their laughter echoing through the trees while children chase pigeons across the grassy lawns. The park's lake, its surface shimmering like 1,000 tiny diamonds, attracts a variety of bird life. Ducks paddle lazily amongst the reeds, their bright plumage a splash of color against the green backdrop, while herons stand motionless on the water's edge. Surrounding the lake, the park's trees provide welcome shade from the Mexican sun. The Parque Bicentenario is a reminder that even in the most urban of environments, nature can thrive, and that access to green spaces is essential for our well-being. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the park, we are left with a sense of peace and tranquility. Our exploration of Guanajuato now leads us to a place of quiet contemplation, a place where the air is cool and crisp, scented with the resinous aroma of pine needles. This is Los Ocampo, a mountainous region cloaked in forests, a world away from the heat and bustle of the city. As we ascend into the mountains, the temperature drops, a welcome relief from the Mexican sun. The forests of Los Ocampo are a symphony of green, 1,000 shades blending seamlessly together to create a tapestry of tranquility. Sunlight filters through the canopy, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor, where ferns unfurl their delicate fronds and mushrooms push their way up through the damp earth. Los Ocampo is a haven for hikers and nature lovers, a place to lose oneself in the embrace of the forest. Trails wind their way through the trees, leading to hidden waterfalls and breathtaking viewpoints, each turn revealing a new vista. Los Ocampo is a reminder that sometimes the greatest luxury is the simplicity of nature, the quiet solace of the forest, the chance to breathe deeply and reconnect with our own inner wilderness. Our final destination on this journey through Guanajuato's natural wonders takes us to the very heart of this remarkable state, to the river that bears its name. The Guanajuato River, a ribbon of life winding its way through a rugged and dramatic landscape, is a testament to the enduring power of nature. Born high in the Sierra de Guanajuato, the river has, over millennia, carved a path through the mountains, its waters cascading over rocks, forming rapids and waterfalls. Along its banks, life clings tenaciously to the steep slopes. Cacti, their spiny forms silhouetted against the clear blue sky, stand sentinel, their shallow roots seeking out precious moisture. As the river descends from the mountains, the landscape softens, the terrain becoming less rugged, the vegetation more lush. The Guanajuato River is not just a source of life, it is also a source of recreation. Kayakers and rafters navigate its rapids, their shouts of exhilaration echoing through the canyons, while fishermen cast their lines into its depths. The Guanajuato River is a reminder that even in the most arid of landscapes, water is life, and where there is water, there is always beauty to be found. Our journey through Guanajuato's natural wonders has come to an end, but the memories we have made will stay with us long after we have left this magical place. We have been privileged to witness the incredible diversity of this land, from its towering mountains to its fertile valleys, from its hidden caves to its rushing rivers. Whether you're an avid hiker, a history enthusiast, or simply someone seeking solace in the embrace of nature, Guanajuato has something to offer everyone. So come and discover the hidden gems of Guanajuato for yourself. Explore its mountains, wander through its forests, and immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of life that unfolds in this remarkable corner of Mexico.